Hi, I'm Senior Master Sergeant Jaquetta Thomas, and I'm the first sergeant for the 55th Aircraft Maintenance Squadron. I believe that Black History Month is important because it gives us an opportunity to reflect on the past, pay attention to the future, as well as determine what we need to do in the present. I remember growing up with my grandmother and her telling me stories about the segregation era because she grew up during that time. And she explained how she couldn't ride on the front of the bus. And when the laws changed, she rode on the bus the whole day, sitting at the front. And hopefully we can be able to see each other just as human beings and not necessarily as color, like with our color, black, white, pink, green, yellow, it doesn't matter, or even the positions that we're in, whether it's military, a CEO, or a pilot, no one cares. When you see me, hopefully you see me as a person and you'll be kind and I'll be kind to you too.